What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Windows 10 keys. So first you need to press the Windows plus R command, and after that you just simply need to type CMD and then hit enter. And after hitting enter, you will open the command prompt. You just simply need to type this command, which is the wmic space path space software licensing service get OA3x original product key, and then hit enter. And after that, this will just tell you the product key of your Windows 10. But if you just can't run this key, or if you are not able to run this command, you just simply need to copy this command, and then you just need to open the CMD with the administrator. What do I mean by that? You just need to right click on command prompt and then click on run as administrator, and after that click on yes. After clicking yes, just simply paste that command and then hit enter, and then the query will run. So this is how you can find your Windows keys. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.